Hey everyone, welcome back to new content of Cybroses. In today's video, we're going to discuss about the updates of Odoo 19. In Odoo 19, the AI module refers to the integration of artificial intelligence features into various parts of Odoo ARPA system that enhances the automation, data analysis, and user experience. And let's move on to the module now. Here you can find the module which is AI. As you just get into the module, you can find the agent which has got different views such as the Kanban view and list view. Now here you can see that if you want to create a new agent, you can click on new and this would allow you to create a new agent. So here you can find the existing agents, that is the Odoo Pro as well as Odoo Compliance Assistance. So if you want to set the agents, first you also just need to move on to the configuration settings, and here we can find that the providers. One is open provider and the other one is Google. So open providers like ChatGPT can be used, as well as the Google providers such as Gemini can be used as the artificial intelligence over here. So here, let's save the changes. So here you can see that the open API key as well as Google API key. So if you want to make use of the ChatGPT or Gemini, you have to provide the API key first. Then only you can just move on to the creation of the agents. Now here you can see I'm going to consider the agent which is Odoo Pro, and in this case we are using the artificial intelligence Gemini. Okay. So if you move on to the three dots here, you can find the configuration. So here you can see that the name of the agent is given as Odoo Pro. If you want to just get any tips to do more with it, you can just provide over here. And we can also see the LLM model. LLM model is nothing but which platform must be used, such as the Gemini, then ChatGPT, ChatGPT 3.5 Turbo or anything. Now, in this case, we can also just go with different responsive style. It can be analytic, balanced, or creative. So if you want to just get any analytic responses only, you just need to give it likewise. Or if you want to just get the creative and analytic, then you can just go with balanced. Or if you only require creative responses, then you can set it as creative. Now here you can see the system prompt, like you are Odoo developer. Now if you want to restrict this to the sources, you can also enable this field. Okay. So the agent will only respond based on the provider provider over here. Now if you want to set the topics, we can also set the topics. So if you want to create a new topic under the agents, we can find the topic, and here you can see the topics that is generated. Okay, so here you can see the create calendar events, and the other one is chat with a customer, and the AI tool is that is a tool that we have given is create a calendar event. Okay, so once it's been set, we can again move on to the agent, and in this case you can see that, yeah, let's move on to the configuration. And in the configuration, we can just add the topic over here. So as it's a many to many field, we can add many topics over here. And afterwards, if you want to do or add any attachments, you can also add that. And here we have a tab called URLs, where you can also enter the URLs per line. Now, once everything is set, you can just click on test, so that you will be getting the chat over here. So this starts off a direct chat with Odoo Pro, which means you will be chatting with the Odoo Pro with Gemini. Okay. And if you want to make any further changes, or if you want to just open this in the Odoo Discuss, you can also click on here, and you can see that this will be redirecting into the Odoo Discuss module. And from here also you can make chatting with the Gemini. So this is one of the main feature, and that is used for enhancing the automations of Odoo. And this will truly help Odoo 19 with its functionality. So I hope this video clarifies what is AI in Odoo. So that's all for today. So if you want Odoo customization, Odoo implementation, and Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybroses. As always, stay awesome, and thank you for watching the video.